How credit cards make banks billions. What if I told you that a tiny piece of plastic in your wallet is making banks billions of dollars every year? The mystery. Millions of Americans use credit cards every day. But have you ever wondered who really profits? A normal purchase. Let's say you buy a $100 pair of shoes. Not your money. You're not spending your money, you're borrowing the bank's money. The monthly bill. At the end of the month, the bank sends you a bill. The best case. If you pay the full balance, you pay no interest. The real problem. But millions of Americans don't pay the full amount. Minimum payment trap. Instead, they pay only the minimum amount. Interest begins. And that's when the bank starts making serious money. The interest rate. Many credit cards charge interest rates above 20%. A small debt grows. A $1,000 debt can quickly become much larger. The power of time. The longer you carry debt, the more you pay. Late fees. Miss one payment and extra fees appear. Penalty interest. Some banks may even raise your interest rate. Merchant fees. Banks don't only make money from customers. Every swipe pays the bank. Every time you swipe your card, the store pays a small fee. Millions of transactions. Now imagine this happening billions of times. Reward programs. Banks offer rewards because they want you to spend more. The psychology. Studies show people spend more when using credit cards. Why banks love it. More spending often means more debt and more profit. The debt cycle. Many people end up carrying balances for years. Real numbers. Americans owe hundreds of billions of dollars in credit card debt. Why debt is dangerous. Interest can quietly eat your paycheck. The business model. Credit cards are one of the most profitable products banks have ever created. Smart users. Some people use credit cards without paying a single dollar in interest. Rule number 1. Always pay your balance in full. Rule number 2. Never spend money you can't afford to repay. Rule number 3. Use rewards wisely, but don't chase points. The big lesson. Credit cards can be powerful tools or expensive traps. So, the next time you swipe your card, remember this. Every swipe is part of a giant business machine that earns banks billions of dollars every year.